Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your town in Heartopia even after you have already entered the game. So there are two easy ways to do this. First, you can visit your online friends town directly. Just open your friends menu, this one, friendship journal. And then in here you can see the friends that still online like this. And then after that, to uh change your town, you can just simply tap on visit on here, and after that you will be taken directly to their town. And the second way is by using the town ID. Just go to settings and then just tap on this return to login page, this one, and then in here will take you back to the login page like this. And then after that just simply tap on this town town icon, this one, and then in here you just need to enter the town ID of the town that you want to join, like such as your friend's private town ID, and then just enter the town, just tap on enter and then just search. And okay, that's how you can easily switch to another town in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.